Welcome back to another great guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a Gmail signature with logo. Creating a Gmail signature with a logo on a Windows PC is simple. Just follow these steps. First, prepare your logo. Choose a suitable image. Use a logo in PNG or JPEG format for the best quality. Recommended size: keep the logo's dimensions small, for example 300 x 300 pixels, to avoid overwhelming the signature. If the image is not stored online, Gmail allows direct upload from your PC. Next, access Gmail settings. Launch Gmail in your browser and log into your account. Click the gear icon in the top right and choose See All Settings. Next, create or edit a signature. In the General tab, scroll down to the Signature section. Click Create New. Name your signature and click Create. Enter your desired text, such as your name, job title, contact information, and website link. Next, insert the logo. Click where you want to place the logo within your signature. Click the Insert Image icon, a picture icon in the toolbar. Choose one of the following. Web address URL. Paste the link in your logo. Is hosted online. Google Drive. Insert directly from your Google Drive. Upload. Choose the logo file from your PC. So for now I choose Upload. Click on Browse. Find your file. Click on it. And hit Open. Then click Allow. Once inserted, click the image to adjust its size. The options is small, medium, large, or original. So I choose small for this. Next, customize the design. Use spaces or the alignment toolbar to position the logo and text neatly. Format text. Use bold, italics, colors, or size adjustments to enhance readability and match branding. Lastly, set the signature as default. Choose email settings. Assign the signature to specific scenarios. For new emails, set your signature for new messages. For replies or forwards, set your signature for replies or forwarded messages, and toggle this option. And now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.